We turned up in the party going crazy. Turning up in the party going crazy. We turned up in the party going crazy. Got all my niggas feeling kinda hazy.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing the color changing Air Force One. I recently found out about this shoe on TikTok, and when I seen it on TikTok I was like, I gotta have it. So I immediately did some research, and I had to try to hunt these shoes down so I could, get a pair, because I was like, I ain't never had no shoes that change color in the colors in the sun. So I was like, I gotta have a pair. So I ordered these on, well actually the name of them are the Nike Air Force One Low UV. I got a size 6.5. I ordered these off of Go. It took forever for these to come. These came, I want to say Monday. Wait, give me 1 second. These came on the 19th and I ordered these on the 4th. 4th of July to be exact. So it took forever. I don't know what was happening with GOAT, but it took forever. They were sold out on Nike.com. So it took a minute for GOAT to put them on their site, because I was looking for these shoes forever. So I saved it to my little tab on GOAT and was able to be notified when they had some in stock. But the retail price for these were $110. The color is university blue, black, white. I don't know where the black come in at, but because they don't look like they have any black in it to me. Well, I guess the Nike Air symbol, but yeah, this is I don't know if you can see. Yeah, I don't know, but I put it on the side of the screen and everything. Yeah, retail price for these were $110. I was able to get mine for $194.19. Yeah. So it was a little over retail. And I have a 6. I'm sorry, I thought I got a 6.5. I'm used to getting them. Yeah. But here's how it comes. Like this. Let's take it out the box. Here's how the box comes. You see I have a 6. Here's the back of it. I know you're not really interested in the back, but here's how it looks when you open it. It has some the instructions. On the inside of the box, so I'll read it. Instructions. The entire shoe except the tongue have UV reactive finish. Intensity of color change depends on environmental conditions. After approximately 8 hours of exposure to the UV light, the inks will no longer change color. Final color varies and will be unique to each pair of sneakers depending on environmental conditions and UV light levels that shoes are exposed to. Use swoosh tray to make ice cubes. Oh, we can make ice cubes out of these. Fill the tray with water and place in freezer until water is frozen. Okay. So that's interesting. So it basically says that after 8 hours of exposure to UV light, the inks will no longer change colors. So yeah. Well, okay, so okay, I guess but I'll try to keep mine away in the dark. So I want them to always change colors, but I guess they say, yeah, here's my little GOAT. I don't know if it's focusing because the camera is so far back, but yeah. Here is the packaging. Mine's already came open because I guess GOAT had to verify it, so that's why it's open already. Put this over here out of the way. So this 6 converts to a 4.5. So that 4.5 is what I wear normally in Air Force Ones, because they run a little bit. I regularly wear a 5, but in Air Force Ones I get a 4.5. Yeah, because I don't like mine to crease. Even though they crease anyway. Go again. Okay. So this, I don't know if y'all can see, but this is how it comes. Like this. I guess this is the ice cube tray right here. You can make ice cubes out of this. I don't know how sanitary that is. I'm assuming if you want to make ice cubes out of your swoosh shine, you would want to do it before you put your shoes on and like actually wear them. Yeah, so yeah, I would take this off if I was going to make ice cubes before I rock them. But here's a little ice cube tray, I guess you could say. Let me try to give y'all a good look. And then here's the little, I guess that's the color they are supposed to turn. Little tag. But yeah, here's the bottom of it. I really like the icy looking bottom. Yes, sir. Even and here's the back of it. I guess this is where the black comes in at. I was like, where's the black coming in at? Finally let my camera focus. Here's the other one. It's just the same without the little ice cube tray. Let's see the inside of it. I have not tried these on yet. I literally just opened the box and peeked inside it. I was like, I have not took these in the sun yet either. Here's the inside of it. It's the same color as the bottom of the shoe. Top is, you know, a little off-white because it's going to change colors. But yeah, I'm trying to think, do I want to make ice cubes out of this or just keep it on my shoe? Because I don't want to, if I put these shoes on with this ice cube tray on here, baby, it's gonna be the end of it's gonna be the end for ice cubes, because yeah, that's not sanitary at all. I kind of want to keep it on there though, so I might not make ice cubes, but if I do make ice cubes, I'll for surely most definitely take it off before, and I'll show y'all how I make ice cubes. I don't know, I'm still thinking about it, but I need to hurry up and make up my mind, because I'm finna take these outside and let y'all see how they look when they change colors, because that's what I've been dying. I've been dying to see how it look once, you know, the sun hits it, and it's sunny outside. So yeah, let's head outside. Okay, here it is in the sun. This is how it looks. Oh. They get brighter. The icy bottom. This is how they look when they finally hit the sun and the sun is beaming on them. Yeah. I don't know if y'all can see, so I'm bringing it down here. But yeah, I really like these. I have the other one on already. I'm doing a TikTok, so yeah, I showed my other one on TikTok, but I still have the ice tray on it. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, this is how they look. Yeah, I really like them. The longer they stay in the sun, the brighter they get. I'm sorry, I keep saying darker, but yeah, I would give these a 10 out of 10. Okay, so I'm back inside now, and they're turned back to their original color, as you can see. I was going for like about an hour, so I guess I have 7 hours left before it's like the official color, I guess. But yeah, if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. I'll see y'all next time. We out.